Chase Point is an assisted living facility. We have 2 units in the building. One is a 24-bed assisted living facility, and one is an 18-bed facility called Riverside for people with memory impairment. What we do here at Chase Point when somebody is new and moving in is we use what's called the best friends approach. So when somebody moves in, there's a questionnaire that either they fill out or maybe their family helps them fill it out, and it goes all the way back to their childhood. So when a resident moves in, the staff read that over, and that helps them already start a relationship with them because they know about them.
The staff become like family almost. They greet the individual every day. They get to know their families when they're dropping them off, picking them up. It's a very close relationship that we have with the individual as well as the family members.
Our staff is so caring, and they always put the residents first, which I think is number one. And I've been here for 10 years, and I can't say enough about our staff. They're wonderful.
Connection with the family, I think, is very important. More so, I think, for the ones that are out of state that can't come and see their loved ones. Once a month, I write to them a little note, and I will send them pictures, and they really appreciate that because we have as far away as Germany and California. We have a lot of them, so it means a lot to them.
Their plan of care is individualized. The nurse sits down with the individual, assesses them, completes their care plan. Their day-to-day activities and the group activities are all planned around the likes and dislikes of the clients.
So they're very nice here. If there's anything, if they can provide it, they will do it.
We provide housekeeping services, laundry services, transportation services, 3 meals a day. We have activities, many activities throughout the day.
Whatever you want. They have dances and sing-alongs, and they keep us busy and make me happy anyway.
We have chapel service once a week. We have exercises every day of the week when anyone wants them. We go out to eat. They love to go out to eat. We have wine and cheese parties. We have dinner parties. And on special holidays like Halloween, we do a big thing on Halloween night. We have a big costume. Everybody dresses up in a costume and comes to the dining room, and we just have a fun time.
It's just nice here. And the people here are nice. I'm very happy here.